How to install Stable Diffusion through Pinocchio. So first we are going to install Pinocchio. So just go to pinocchio.computer. I will put the link in the description. Click on download and go to Windows and download for Windows. As you can see, I have already installed Pinocchio. As you can see, I have already installed Pinocchio. Just go to extract, go to in the Pinocchio folder, double click here, and it is going to install. So after installation, just type Pinocchio in the search menu, or you can go to your desktop and open it. I have already installed some LLM which I am using currently. To install Stable Diffusion, go to Discover, type here Stable Diffusion. You can see just Stable Diffusion web here. Just click here and click on download and click on install. Whatever name you have to put, just put it and click on download it. And now we are going to, if you want to customize, you can customize, but I'm going to just install as it is. So click on install. So as you can see, Stable Diffusion has been installed in your computer. So in this way you can install Stable Diffusion in your local system. If you want full tutorial on how to use Stable Diffusion, just let me know in the comment. I will make a full tutorial for you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.